Hi, welcome to Kamphaus Auto Care Hybrid Repair and Emissions. Is this your first time visiting us? Let me tell you a little bit about who we are. We are a family-owned and operated repair facility. We've been in the Hanover Park area since 2011, fixing cars right the first time, every time. Let me tell you a little bit about the reasons that you should come to Kamphaus Auto Care. I've got a wonderful waiting room over here where you can sit down comfortably and wait for your car to be finished. If you don't want to spend your day with us, we have a wonderful loaner car program. I offer shuttles. I offer Uber and Lyft services. I will get you where you need to go, one way or the other. We work on every make and model at Kamphaus Auto Care. If you have a Subaru, if you have a Dodge Challenger, and specifically, we do hybrids and EV vehicles. We are the dealership alternative when it comes to hybrid electric vehicles and plug-ins. Don't worry about that service here. We've got you covered. Anytime you come to Kamphaus Auto Care for service, we offer a no-charge inspection and a no-charge estimate. I want to make sure your vehicle is going to be in the best shape it can possibly be every time that we see it. Depending on what happens with your car, sometimes the repairs can be extensive. If that's the case, we've got multiple financing options for multiple credit profiles to help you get that done and to help you get your vehicle fixed. And after your vehicle is fixed, we've got a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty to have your back if we can't be there. And that's a nationwide warranty, and we will take care of anything that happens to your car for the long haul. That's who we are, and that's what we do. Would you like to see where your vehicle is going to be serviced? Let's go to the back shop. In our shop, we only hire ASE certified technicians to fix your vehicle in a professional and timely manner. We also have 8 well-lit service bays that we keep clean to be able to do that service work in a timely manner to keep your vehicle clean. We treat everything like it's our own. We work on any car here at Kamphaus Auto Care, from brakes on a Subaru to doing an alignment on your Scat Pack Challenger. There is no vehicle that we don't service. Let's take a walk back up front and I'll get you with our service people. We'll get your vehicle written up so we can get you fixed up.